Hello, the students of the group 211KI. Today is, let us see the timetable. Today is the 10th of December 2020. Okay, so today we have the first lesson number 29. So the laboratory work. So this laboratory work takes two lessons, 2 hours. It means one pair and second pair, two pairs.
There.
Yes. Very well. Hello. Okay, so let us go to the Moodle and let us see what we did yesterday. Okay, so let me open the browser and the Moodle. Okay, it takes some time. Okay, so now I will show you the picture. Okay, let us open. Very interesting. Arthur. See, so the professor of economy. Okay, so very well. Okay, so you can see who is Arthur Lewis. So, but let us continue. Okay, so let us open our page. Computer science and engineering. Okay, so computer science and engineering first course. Laboratory work 28. Control events. Yes, control events. We created the button and the edit box in Visual C++ MFC in Windows system, Microsoft. So, and we add the handler of event. So we press the button and obtain this. Okay, after this we developed a little this handler on send, and it is possible to press the button, second time press the button and to clear, okay, and etc. Okay, so the same we tried to do in Java. So to put into the frame two controls and to press the button and to obtain the reaction in the form of this info box with the button clicked message. Okay, so after this I add the online compilation in REPL IT. Okay, so now let us open this online IDE, REPL IT. But it is better to open it in separate place. So let me open again our page computer science and engineering, and again previous time laboratory work, control events. Okay, so what it is necessary? It is necessary to copy the total Java listing. Okay, let us copy it. What is not so easy. Okay, so let us continue. Okay, press Ctrl See, let us return to REPL-IT, but in REPL-IT it is necessary to sign up first. Okay. Yes, so to select Java language now and to paste here our program. So to change the class to the main, and I told you that it is necessary to put here instead of button clicked your name. So for example, Nikolai Ulyanov. Okay, so Nikolai Ulyanov. So you must put your name here. Okay, so after this, to press run button, here is run button. Let us press. Okay, and now the process of compilation. Javac. Okay, so this is a compilation. It takes a little of time. Now the execution. Java main. Okay, and starting. So here we will see the result. So this is a emulation of the screen, but it is not. Okay, so okay, I closed the result in Windows, so it is necessary to repeat. Let us press run again. Okay, so Java compilation main Java. Now the execution. Okay. The execution. Now the repetition of the appears of window emulation. Okay, so this is our window with text field and with buttons. So let us press the button and let us obtain the message box. Okay, so the button. Okay, the message box. In the message box you see Nikolai Ulyanov. So you must obtain the same but with your name. Take a screenshot, a photo, and send me. Okay, but first it is necessary to sign up in this REPL-IT. This is my page. Okay, so I told you here that it is necessary to sign up in REPL-IT. Try my link. Maybe my link is good and it is not necessary to sign up. But to sign up in REPL-IT, it is very easy in comparison with other such an IDs. So here you can see the result, very good. So the window, the emulation of the window, and when we press the button, so the appearance of this info box with the message button clicked. But here it is necessary to change button click. Where is it? Okay, button click to your name. Okay, so the class is main, so it will work in REPL-IT. REPL-IT online ID compiler, Java compiler. Okay, so it is necessary to sign up. So how to sign up? To enter your name, enter your email, and enter your your password. It is necessary, or it is possible through the Google. If you have Google account, so it is possible to press the button with G and only to enter some name. Okay, maybe this. Okay, so it is not so difficult to register to sign up in this REPL-IT in comparison with other such online programs, online compilers, online so-called IDs. Okay, so the task to sign up or maybe to use my link if it will work in your device. Okay, so to copy the total Java listing, to change here the button clicked message to your name, yes, to insert to insert in reply T Java page instead of hello world, here paste, okay, and to press run button and to obtain the result in window. Okay, make a screenshot and send me to my address. So Java language must be selected before when you will register. Okay, so this is our previous yesterday's laboratory. But today it is necessary to repeat the same action in Java as we did in Visual C++. So to press the button and to obtain the message in the edit field, the edit box. Okay, so now let us develop a little this project. So here we have possibility only to press the button and to obtain the message box. But now it is necessary to press the button and to obtain the information in this text field. Okay, so for this purpose, let us go to the my folder in my local disk D Java projects and create and maybe open or create another file. Okay, so let me open the Explorer. My Explorer. Okay, so now I will show you the Explorer and let me open the local disk D. Local disk D. Okay, so now we have some troubles with the picture. Okay, but here is Java projects folder in disk D. So let us open and let us create another text file. Создать, create, Russian, создать текстовый документ. In English text document. Okay, so instead of the name text document, let us change this name to which. For example, button event. So BUE, button event, and with extension Java. Okay, so now it is possible. Okay, so it is necessary to change the name, yes, to justify and to open this file. So now I will show you this file, and this file is empty. So it is necessary to put here all the previous listing. So this total Java listing, so-called total Java listing. So let us return to our program. Let us take this Java listing again. Okay, so maybe it is better to take it from reply T. It is more easy for me now. Okay, so now let us return to this text source file, Java source file, and put it here. Okay, so we have class main, but it is necessary that the name of the class, of the main class, coincide with the name of the file, source file. So button event, BUE. Yes, so the short name to short the process of compilation. Okay, so now we have the button listener. Button listener implements action listener. Action listener, it is the member of Java AWT event package. Okay, action listener, so-called listener. So in Java, the handler of the event is called the listener. Okay, so instead of to put here show message dialog, it is necessary to put here the variable my text field. So the variable of our text field. So let us copy and instead of this, let us put here my text field. So after the dot, it is necessary to put the function set text. Okay, which text? For example, the text group 211KI, the same text, group 211KI. Okay. So this is the reaction. This is the reaction, okay, to the event. Which event? Button, press the button. Button listener, action listener. And after this, it is necessary to add action listener in this button. So, and that's all. So let us try to compile. So I press window R and call the run row or run window in my old computer. So here it is necessary to type cmd command and press OK. So the command, the command prompt appears after this. Here is the command prompt. So it is necessary to change the disk first. After this cd, change directory to Java projects. Java projects. Okay, so let us compile javac. What? Our file button events bue. So Java. Let us press. Okay, so javac bue Java. Let us try to run Java bue. So we have an error. Could not find or load main class bue. Okay, so let us return to our file. One more time. Okay, what is wrong? I don't understand. Okay, so this is wrong. Okay, so very well. Okay, so this is our class bue. So this is main function. Okay, let us check. So Java field my text, new Java field. Okay, so action listener, new button listener, my button add action listener. Very interesting mistake. So it cannot find the bue, but bue is here, bue. So let us return to the prompt. Sorry, one more time the prompt. Okay, so the prompt is here. Okay, so Java bue. So bue error, could not find or load main class bue. Okay, so let me do the other thing. Okay, so I will open previous prepared file and I will try to copy what I did before. Okay, so now I have some problems. I don't know what is the reason of this problem. Okay, so which control event, maybe control event Java. So let us open this file. Okay, so and control event. let us try to use this file. Okay, so control event. So let me copy the content of this file. Okay, control event. Let us return to the our BUE and let us insert this control event. So it is necessary to change to BUE. Yes, it is necessary to close the main function. It is necessary to close the main class. Okay, so now let us discomment this class and let us discomment the action listener. Action listener. Okay. So now let us comment this and let us put here the my text field variable. My text field set text. Set text. Set text. Okay, so group 211. And here. Okay. So let us try again. So we obtain the same. We obtain the same, but I don't know why it would not work. Okay, so let us save. Okay, maybe I would not save. Yes, so maybe my mistake that I would not save the file before I compile. So that's why it cannot find the BUE class and all. It cannot find anything. So this is a mistake. I would not. I did not save. Okay, so now I saved, and let us compile again. So this is a very interesting mistake that I forgot to save before. Okay, so Javac BUE. Okay, first let us return to the text, to the code. Okay, to the code. Okay, so here I insert the keyword final. Okay, so let us delete this keyword final. Okay, so first save and let us compile again. So Javac BUE, sorry BUE, no, Java, and let us compile. Cannot find symbol variable my text field location class BUE button listener. So the line number 12. The line number 12. Okay, so let us go to the line number 12. Yes, so the line number 12. Here is the line number 12. Okay, so it cannot understand what does it mean my text field, because my text field is placed before the creation in main function. So in Java the compiler works in other way than in C++. In C++ it starts from the main function. Okay, but now it starts from the very beginning, and this my text field is placed before the creation of text field, the creation of this variable. So here, this variable of the type of Java text field class is created. Okay, so now let us Okay, so it would not work. So this way would not work. But now let us return this keyword final Java text field and final Java button. Okay, press save and try to compile again. Okay, so let us move a little. Okay, so to compile again, so BUE Java. What is wrong? No. Okay, so BUE Java. The compilation is good. Okay, so now Java BUE. Java BUE. Could not find or load main class BUE. So the mistake is the same. Okay, maybe it is necessary first, okay, to save, to save, to save. So let us return to the code. Let us, but it's saved. Okay, so but what happens? It is very interesting. So it was opened 2 times. Okay, so now let us return to the program again and compile and try to compile again. Okay, so let us move it. Let us compile again. So BUE Java. Okay, so we have the same mistake. We have the same mistake. So could not find or load main class BUE. So this is what is the mistake? Okay, so we have the mistake. It is very interesting. Okay, so let us open this file again. Let us open this file again. Okay, BUE Java. Let us open this file again. Yes, BUE Java. Okay, so it would not work. Button listener. Okay, and let us continue. How to continue? So it would not work too. So the creation of the object of button listener and the head of button listener. So let us obtain the so-called abstract class instead of to declare the class button listener, which implements action listener. Let us create the new object of action listener directly here, so in the main function. So after the creation of Java text field object and my text field variable of this type. Okay, so now it is necessary to repeat this, my button add action listener. Okay, but instead of to create the object of the class button listener and to give this address to the variable action listener, so it is necessary to create the object of action listener directly here. So new action listener. So to make so-called abstract class. So now we call the constructor like in this place. So after button listener, we have the brackets. So a new action listener and the brackets. Okay, so now we create, but it is the class. It is the class. So it is necessary. It is necessary. Okay, so let us move it. Okay, so because it is a class, it is necessary to put here semicolon, the end of the function. But here it is necessary to declare this class, to describe this class. It is a class. Okay, so what it is necessary to do? To take all this, like we did in button listener class, to copy and to put here. Okay, so we so-called override the function action performed, okay, and put here the my text field set text group 211, and that's all. So-called instead of the class, we create the so-called abstract class. We create the object of the class action listener, and in Java it is possible here instead of to give the name to this class, just a new object of action listener, and that's all. And to describe. Okay, so this is so-called abstract class. So this is the overriding of the function action performed. So we override this function for our purpose, for our class. So now my text field goes after this text field. So now let us try to compile. Let us try to compile. If we will have the mistake, so we will compile my yesterday's file. Okay, so now let us save and let us try to compile again. So if we will have the problem, so we will. Okay, so we will compile another file. Okay, so now call the command prompt. Okay, so I renewed it. Okay, so it is necessary to change directory to Java projects. So after 5 minutes after the break, please return. Okay, so students. Okay, so did Java projects, Java BUE Java. Okay, so all is very well, but we have a mistake. That local variable my text field is accessed from within inner class, needs to be declared final. Okay, so the line 44, let us return to the code, and so it is not necessary now, it may be deleted at all. Okay, so this class is not necessary too. Okay, so only this. So the creation of the frame, so the creation of the text field, the creation of the button, and the adding listener to the button. In this listener, we override the function action performed in this way that in the text field, so we set text group 211. So when we press the button, so the action listener listen to this event, pressing the button, and put the text group 211 into the text field before creating. But it is necessary because because this class is outer class, it is not the class of, it is outer class. So it is necessary to put here keyword final. So in which purpose? That it is not possible to change from other class. It is not possible to change from other class. This class is other class. This is other class. So it is possible to change something. So before, so we must put our variables final. Final means in Java that it cannot be changed after this when we put it final. So the text field must be put final. Here we create the object of Java text field class and give the address to the my text field variable of the same type of Java text field. And here we do the same for the button. So here it is necessary to put the same. But maybe it is not necessary. Maybe it is not necessary. Okay, so let us put final here. And let us try to save. Okay, so now let us return to the prompt. Where is the prompt? Here is the prompt. Okay, so sorry. Yes, this is the prompt, and let us compile again. So Javac and what? Javac button events Java. Button events Java. Okay, all is good. It is not necessary to make the button final. Okay, so in Java button events. Okay, press the button and let me show the result. Okay, so the simple window. Okay, so my button, my text field, when I press the button, so the group 211 must appear here. So please see the result. Group 211 KI. So when I press the button,
yeah, I'll see it, yeah.
Each time group 211 appears. So we cannot used to see how it redrived because the redraw process of this picture is very fast for our eye. We even cannot see how the our screen redraw. Okay, so but when we press, so each time this message rendered, so it is possible to clear manually. Okay, and to press and to obtain again. So you have to only 2 minutes, only it's about 2 minutes. So what I propose, how to develop this program, how to develop it. So let us try to return, yes, here, how to develop this program. So how to press and text appears, and second time we press button and text disappears. Okay, so like it was done yesterday, Visual C++. Okay, but now will be the 5-minute break, 5 minutes break. Okay, so and after 5 minutes, please return. Ahmed, I know Ahmed Yagub. So I know that after the break, you never return again. So please return.
No, I swear, I'm going to return. Actually, yesterday I returned, but I faced problem with login.
Okay, Ahmed, okay, maybe you have some...
Yeah, I promise you, yeah, of course.
So, yes, after 5 minutes, please return. So now I...
Okay.
I'm sorry.